I am David Erickson, and this is pro tip number. So I'm going to quickly show you how to give access to somebody to your Facebook page so that they can help you manage it. So you can see I am at my podcast Facebook page, Beyond Social Media Show, and I am currently logged in. I'm one of the administrators, so you need to be logged in as an administrator, and I'm going to scroll down to Settings and click on that, and then find Page Roles and click on that. And then I can assign a new page role. I can adjust the page owner, which is already me. I can modify existing page roles, but I want to add a new page role. So I'm going to assign a new page role, and what you do is the person, I believe, needs to have liked your page already for you to add them. But I know my co-host has, so I'm going to add BL. Okay, maybe she hasn't, maybe that's the wrong email address. There we go. And I can assign her as an editor, as an admin, as a moderator, as an advertiser, as an analyst, or make a custom. I'm going to add as an editor, but if you want somebody to have full control, so you can see the changes here, can manage all aspects of the page. They can publish, send messages to the page. If it is an Instagram is connected to the page, they can respond and delete comments, direct messages, sync businesses. They can assign page roles, etc. So that's full access. You can give them editor access where they can't change accounts, but they can interact as a on Instagram. And then there's a moderator, which has more limited roles. As you go down the line, advertiser can just do advertising, obvious. Analyst has access to the analytics. But we will do that for BL, and I'll click add. And then you need to enter your password to continue. And that's that. They should get a notification that they were invited to be an editor of the page, and then they should have access.